What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I got right here 6 more everyday carry or like camping gadgets. Let's see what they're all about. For the first one we got right here SOG Plush MT multi-tool, and there's all of the different styles on it and blade length and everything. So anyways, let's open it, see what it's all about. I might need a knife to kind of pry it open. That's why we need to have knives. Opening these things can be pretty frustrating. What is holding it? Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Now it's gonna come out super easy. Oh wow. Okay, what is this? A magnet in here? Why is there a magnet? Well, anyways, probably for security. So let's see what it is. Beautiful SOG right here. There's mark inside here. Cool. Flash MT. Thumb stud. Can I open it? Whoa, quite tight. Is there a safety of some sort? Liner lock right here. I wonder if that was a safety. Okay, now it's locked. Okay. Oh wow, it's assisted. Okay, this is nice, and it has a safety. Awesome. So I can lock it, put it on a safety. It's not going to open. Interesting. Very comfortable because it has this unique design. Okay, now open it. What else do we have here? Oh, bottle opener and like a pry bar flat screwdriver. And on this side, nothing, just a plastic right here. Cool. It doesn't have assisted part, but needle nose pliers with the wire cutters. Beautiful, I like it. Anyways, let's move on to something else. This side here, pretty unique pry bar, and there's a whole bunch of uses for it. With the carabiner, ratchet screwdriver, bottle opener. Awesome, let's see. Frustrating packaging. That's why we have to have these tools to open them. Okay, carefully. There you go. So, quite nice. It's not titanium. Looks like some kind of stainless steel. There's a ruler. Oh yeah, there it is. How do we flip it? Oh, just flip it this way. And the other one screw it. Nice. Pry bar, no, more of a screwdriver, flathead. I wish it would be skinnier, but still usable to open up paper boxes. This side here, flip it over, put it to the side, there it is. And it locks in good, so I can unspin it, flip it over, spin it back up, and push it back up. Just put it to the side and slide it back in. Very cool. There's some kind of wrench. Beautiful. And a bottle opener. Pretty interesting multi-tool, that's for sure. Pry bar. Okay, let's keep on going. Let's see. Let me adjust my light over here a little bit. Okay, we need more light, I think. Anyways, let's see what we got. Tech accessory. A little screwdriver. This one is super unique. So all it is a tiny screwdriver like that goes onto a keychain or some kind of tool. There it is. I really love that Milwaukee bead holder. Take one out, spin it up, and then boom, plugs in into here, and I have a tiny little screwdriver. That is so unique, and it says tech on this side. Beautiful. But yeah, I love this thing. I've been using it for a few years now. It's spinnable, locks it to 0. So yeah, comes with this like a carabiner and a holder for the keychain. Love that. Okay, what else we got right here? Let's look at this. Ooh, butterfly fork. This is all knife or also all tool. This is the same brand as a all knife company, like a sub company. They did the same thing with the pry bar recently, and it has holding it by the magnet side here. somewhere. I don't know. Oh, that side here. One magnet side here and here. So 4 total magnets and window breaker. This is quite satisfying. Don't need any skills to use it, that's for sure. It's nice and thick. Bottle openers on both sides look very cool. TC4 titanium, I guess, and a wrench right here. Just looks cool. It is pretty fidgety too. I don't know any butterfly tricks, but I don't need to know this simple one because it's pretty short. Love it. So there it is. All live, all tool, all knife, all light have been making some awesome gadgets. It is a company from China and I'm very impressed by them. And I paid for this one. They did send me before multiple flashlight and tools, but this one I paid for it because it's so cool and I could not find anywhere but eBay, unless there is on their website still. So what we got right here? Kershaw Antique 8, 7, 10. Ooh, cool. Another unique everyday care tool. Arena right here. I think it's kind of cool. Oh wait, I would have put this, what do you call it? Pin the other way so I can just pull it out from my pocket easily. But let's see. Yeah, definitely this should be the other way. Interesting knife for sure, but I guess it's more of a bottle opener. But it would have been cool if this clip was the other way. It would be easy to pull it out. But either way, liner lock. There's a thumb stud. Very comfortable to hold on to that and open it. Boom. Pry bar, screwdriver. Cut open boxes because we don't want to open boxes with a knife. It is kinda damages it a little bit, but this one is perfect to open boxes. But if I don't want to damage the stuff inside the box, I would cut through this with the tape. Bottle opener. Very nice little knife for sure, everyday carry. Okay, and I have, I think, one more, like a survival compressor bandage, 6-inch pack of 2. This is definitely a good idea to practice before need to use it, or it's good to have it in case there's a trained professional. But yeah, easy application, sterile protection, combat proven design, and all that other stuff. I really like the ziplock on it. Oh, nice. Okay, I'll just separate them. I don't need the extra bag. Okay, there's stickers. Cool, swag. Okay, and all it is this awesome emergency compression bandage. Beautiful. Let's see. That's cool thing is it has the description too, how to use it, so that also helpful. I was going to open it, but you know what, I'm not a trained professional. It is self-explanatory in a sense, but I want to kind of keep it for myself, put it into the survival backpack and so on. So that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. I think my favorite was the fork, but yeah, I'm gonna probably make a thumbnail of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. There it is. That's how we make thumbnail. Simple as that. All tool, all knife. I think they're making more gadgets now.